Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. We are in December. We are in December. It is the second day of December. 2 days ago, Sunday, we decorated our home. We decorated our tree. We changed up our tree a little bit. We put different knickknacks throughout our home. We didn't overdo it like in way previous years. This year, as well as like a couple of years, we've kind of toned it down. The kids are now older, and we kind of just want to simplify things and just put in pops of Christmas spirit everywhere in our home. So we focus on Sunday. We focus mainly on our hallway, living room, dining room. Yeah, and that's basically it. Again, we didn't put too much out. We just wanted to incorporate the spirit of Christmas. We wanted to make our home warm, cozy, and inviting, and wanting us to be here. So when we all gather, whether it's just us or friends come over, family comes over, you feel that warmth and comfort. And that's what the season is season of sharing, season of giving, season of spending time with each other, whether it's in a big crowd, small crowd, just you and somebody else. It's just a very special and magical time of the year. So let me go take you into my living room where I can, dining room, and a little bit of my hallway, and I can show you what I have done. I put out my village this year. As usual, location has changed over the years since we've been here. We've been here for 13 years, and the location has changed. But right now, it's been in this location for a few years now. It's just because we've moved furniture, we've changed furniture, and I think next year I want to expand a little bit more with a few more houses, but still keep it there. So next year, I think I'm going to expand on my village, just put it somewhere else, just add more, so it expands into different parts. Yeah, so I'm grateful and I'm happy that we have the decorations that we have, and putting out vintage pieces was very special. We have vintage, we have brand new, we have handmade, everything's incorporated on our tree, and it is just, I think it's a beautiful tree. Just like in past years, we've had beautiful trees. This year, it just seems like it's incorporating incorporating not only for me a handmade ornaments, but for my daughters. They've done handmade before when they were little, but this year we sat together as a family and made some ornaments, and they are on our tree. So let me take you into my living area and show you how we decorated it. So we put up our Christmas tree last night. So let me just give you a look here at our Christmas tree. We changed from being all neutrals to back to being having colors of green and reds all incorporated. This shelf is a new shelf in our home, so we are new at figuring out how we're going to decorate it, but this is what we have for now. I just put a little bit of trinkets here and there. We didn't go full out decorating every little nook and corner. So back to my tree. It is a beautiful. My daughters put this up and put all the decorations on the tree. We have some old, very brand new, handmade, old and new, and some really good vintage gems here. There was a time that I went a lot to the Disney store. You can see some Disney snow globes, Disney presents. There's Tinkerbell. There's princess balls here. There's a lot of Disney incorporated in here, and just love it. I also have a few vintage ones that my kids had made, and very new ones that we had just made, painted. There's one there, the gingerbread, just the other day. We sat down as a family and made those ornaments. There's present ornament, candy cane ornament. There's a snowflake one that my daughter made. The gingerbread one that you saw my other daughter made. Just so many beautiful items on this tree. This is why I'm highlighting it so much, is because it is beautiful. Very beautiful close up, and the camera is not doing it justice. So I'm just gonna let you just have a look and see what we have on our tree. Even our tree skirt is old. The date is there. I'm not sure if I clearly was able to show it, but I believe it's 2008. And we're very new at, I was very new at crafting. And so I just got some glue and some glitter. And I think I said Merry Christmas and the year. But I think we want to update it and just maybe put another year on it at the back. But we're not getting rid of what we first put there. Now this is a little village that I had started. I haven't added much to it over the years. 1 or 2 homes, but just because there's not a lot of space, but I think I want 1 or 2 more. Here is a Christmas countdown that I made a few years back. We have to erase the countdown date, and it's something that we've housed here for a couple of years. I definitely would like to expand on the village and expand it over into maybe possibly the TV stand or a shelf. Back into the living room, we have our center table and we have a runner. I bought this runner in Buffalo a few years back, and that's the first time we were using it. Here are our stockings and the holders. I made these holders. I just painted these tiny little homes white. They actually came from the dollar store, and then I painted them white and attached a bottom and hooks to hand our stockings. So here we have just little ornaments here and there. That Mickey Mouse was actually in a ball, but the ball broke and the snow globe broke, and so I still incorporate him. Now these are just shelves that are in our hallway. Like I said, just putting little touches of Christmas here and there and not overdoing it. We used to overdo it a lot every year. This Santa Claus himself, that is very vintage, that Santa Claus. I had it at work. It was a coworker's who gave it to another coworker, and then that coworker gave it to me. So I've had it for years. Here it's into the dining room, and we just decorated by our window. That is a banner that my daughter made. Yeah, so just giving a touch of Christmas all around, and to bring into the spirit of Christmas. So with everything that we put out, the bowls, the little ornaments, the little decoration, everything has a story, and everything holds a special place for me. This runner now is probably older than me. It was my grandmother's. It's a little bit stained, but that's okay. So I wanted to make our home cozy, warm, and feeling festive. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I hope you guys are getting into the Christmas spirit. We are right in the beginning of December. It's going to get busy, fun, and yeah, I'm looking forward to it. So thank you so much for watching, and take care. I will see you in the next one. Bye.